This is Joey. He's very upset because he wants his applesauce. We're going to give him his favorite, blueberry. You ready? Open up, sweetheart. Off the table.
Guys, stop.
One more bite.
Stop it.
One more bite. Good boy. Good boy. You're so big. You're so big. Oh my God. I have to stop it. I have to stop it. Say bye to everybody, Joey.